Good morning, traders. John Caruso coming to you here from RJ O'Brien with your currency commentary for the day. Taking a look, we did see no data actually come out of the United States session here this morning. We did see the equity markets plunge as a direct result from the Fed statement on Wednesday. Surprisingly to everybody, they actually did outline a time frame as to when they were looking at tapering QE and also ending QE in 2014. Markets didn't like what they had to hear. We are seeing the equities continue to plunge. We saw more follow-through selling yesterday. We're seeing the market turn red here this morning. The dollar loves it. The dollar's trading higher. Obviously, with the Fed's outlining an end to their QE program, the dollar loves it. What's the reason the dollar's been going down for the last 4 years? Obviously, the money printing coming out of the Federal Reserve. So dollar's trading at 82.50 right now. We're up 40 points on the morning. The next resistance level comes in at about 83.07. Now, looking at the chart, if you look back in May, we were just at 84.50 without this fundamental news. Now, this is huge news. And my target ultimately will be that our 84.50, that high we saw back in May. So I'm looking for that to develop over the course of the next week to 2 weeks possibly. So keep an eye on that. Looking at the euro, 131.48. We are down approximately 70 points here this morning. The target to the downside I have is set at 130.60. Obviously, I think it could be a bumpy road on the way down. So, look to be bearish possibly on rallies if we do encounter resistance levels. The Japanese yen, we're trading lower here this morning. We did see all the Asian markets actually higher in the overnight as China came out and made a statement that they may intervene to help solve their credit crunch over there in Asia. But we'll see how the markets wrap up. I will be doing a broadcast on Monday, so tune in for that. Once again, I'm John Caruso. Feel free to give me a call anytime, 800-669-5354. And remember, as always, trading futures and options carries risk. It may not be suitable for all investors.